What to do?
सर वो 6 और 5 को 11 कर सकते हैं, 11 ohms.
6 और 5 को नहीं कर सकते सर. What should be the most logical step to do? There are many ways, like the 3 ohms and this 3 amps, they are in parallel, we can put it in series. We can convert it into voltage source. Okay, that can be done. 100% correct. But that might not be the most efficient way. What is the most efficient step to do? And anyone tell me? That will make the problem very easy. Many people will come with different steps, and probably all the steps are right. But what is the most efficient step?
सर 20 वोल्ट और 5 ओम को करंट सोर्स में चेंज करें.
उससे क्या फायदा होगा? Actually, that is what you just gave the answer I was looking for. I would have done the same. But why?
उससे फिर 6 ओम और जो रेजिस्टेंस आएगा उसको एक रेजिस्टेंस में कन्वर्ट कर पाएंगे.
सिर्फ, और कुछ नहीं होगा. हाँ, उससे 5 वर्सेस पैरेलल बन जाता है. दैट इज ट्रू. और कुछ पैरेलल बनता है? What she is suggesting, we can convert this particular voltage source into current source. So this stays the same, 3 amps. This stays the same, 30 ohms. This stays the same, 50 ohms. This, my friend, changes to 4 amps. This is 5 ohms. This is 6 ohms. This can be written as 3 amps, 4 amps, Is it okay to write this?
सर वो 8 ओम ओम के पहले.
हाँ, sorry, 8 ohms.
सर 8 ओम कहाँ से आया 4 एम्पेयर के बाद?
ये 30 है, 8 नहीं है. ठीक है. This one. Now all the resistance are in what? Parallel. So what is the equivalent? Somebody can tell me what is the equivalent of this?
सर सेकंड फिगर में पूछ रहे हैं आप 20 वोल्ट और 5 ओम को 4 एम्पेयर लिखे, उसके बाद 8 ओम कहाँ से आया?
8 ohm इसमें? हाँ, पर तुमको 8 ohm दिखता है. I'm sorry, I don't understand that. Can anyone help me? There are no 8 ohm resistances in this circuit. This is 30. This is 50. This is 5. This is 6. Which one you are calling to be 8 ohms? बताओ. Somebody say something in chat. Oh, 5 ohms exactly. Yes, 5, not 8. Yes, 5. Okay, sorry. Give me 5. This is coming from this one. Is the confusion clear? It's 5. Probably there was something.
8 ओम लग रहा था इसलिए.
Okay. No problem. This is 5. Okay. The value of the resistance will not change.
So 2.38 ohms.
2.38 ohms, right? इसके साथ क्या किया जाए? इसमें क्या होगा? तो 2 करंट सोर्स में
1 एम्पियर.
सर ये क्वेश्चन दोबारा कराई ना सर, नेटवर्क एरर हो गया था, समझ ही नहीं आया कुछ.
अच्छा समझ नहीं आया, ठीक है, जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग दिस, लाइक द क्वेश्चन वाज लाइक दिस, ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन था, इसको मुझे इस फॉर्म में या इस फॉर्म में लाना है, ओके। नाउ ये प्रॉब्लम को बनाने के लिए देयर कुड बी हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मेथड्स एंड आई एम श्योर অল
স্যার একটু রিপিট করবেন প্লিজ, আমি না কিছুই বুঝতে পারছি না আপনি কি বলছেন।
হ্যাঁ তো সেটা বলো বুঝতে না পারলে। এখানে দেখো, ওকে, ফর এভরিবডিজ কনভিনিয়েন্স প্লিজ আই উইল টেল ইউ স্পিকিং ইন ইংলিশ, ওকে। সো দিস problem is like this, the initial problem is like this, ignore the green part, the initial problem is in red here, this is the initial problem, ignore the green part for the time being. Can you understand the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
सर
yeah, tell me.
सर मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आपका प्लीज एक बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं।
हाँ रिपीट कर सकते हैं। The problem is like this, this is the problem, can you understand the problem? Just see the things that are written in red, ignore the things that are written in any other color than red, only see the red part of the figure, whatever is given in red, everything else is in green and blue, you can ignore it for the time. This is a problem, this is a question, you have to represent this circuit in either this form or this form. Is the question clear to all? প্রশ্নটা বুঝতে পেরেছো? সওয়াল ঠিক है? সওয়াল समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand the question? Solution comes
Yes,
later.
sir.
All of you understand the question. Very good. The second part is this question can be solved in many ways. Okay, and probably all of them are correct. However, I am looking for the way using this which we can solve this problem in minimum number of steps. Okay, so far? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, one of your friends have suggested that to change this voltage source and series resistance marked here in green to a current source and equivalent parallel resistance. Is it okay? We can do that. We can do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we do that, the circuit becomes like this in blue. This 4 is equal to 20 by 5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Okay? For all? If you don't understand, please tell me. This will be uploaded on YouTube, don't worry. You can watch it later 100 times, 200 times, no issue. No problem. But for the time being, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. From this circuit, can we write this? Can we get this circuit here? Anybody having any difficulty? Tell me right now.
सर अगर हम लोग करंट में कन्वर्ट कर दिए तब भी वो रजिस्टर वही रहेगा 5 ओम जो है।
5 ohm will come in parallel with 4 amps. What did we see? If the circuit is in this waveform, there is a series source and a series resistance. This is equivalent to, this point is A, this point is B, then this is equivalent to VS by RS, and this is RS. Same thing is happening here. Check. This is my point A. This is my point B. This is my point A. No, brother, node A. This is my node B. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now you can see all the 4 resistances are in parallel to each other. They are all connected between nodes A and B. All the 4 resistances in the circuit. They're connected between A and B. Some of them are diagonal, like the diagonal. Some of them are straight, but they're all connected between points A and B. All the 4 resistances in the circuit. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
So they are all in parallel. So we can take the parallel equivalent, that is 2.38 or whatever some of your friends told me, right? But it is not the resistance only that in parallel, the current source is also in parallel. What to do with them? These two current sources, 3 amps and 4 amps, they are also in parallel. So what to do with them? Should we use the same formula for resistance for the current sources as well? What do you think?
Sir, we can add them.
We can add them. Why we can add? Why cannot we use the resistance formula?
Sir, because I input is equal to I output. So 3 ampere plus 4 ampere is equal to 7 ampere, sir.
Did you understand what he said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 7 amps. This is 2.38 ohms. Okay. And if you want, you can just simply calculate, convert it into voltage source. Okay. That is very easy. You can do it yourself. No problem. So any questions anywhere regarding this problem?
सर अगर ये दोनों करंट सीरीज में
बताओ।
है तो
Ah, that is a very good question. That is a very good question. Very, very good question. सीरीज में होता तो क्या होता? 3 amps, 4 amps. What do you think could have been the case now?
Sir, please repeat the question.
अभी
Yes,
भी 7 ही लग रहा है.
one of your friends asked a very brilliant question that they were in parallel, so हम लोग बहुत आराम से ऐड कर दिए. अगर सीरीज में होता तो क्या होता? अब क्या होगा? 7 होगा या कुछ और होगा? अच्छा, उल्टा प्रॉब्लम करते हैं.
7 ही लग रहा है.
7 ही लग रहा है. अच्छा ठीक है, देखते हैं. बता पाओगे क्या होगा अब? वोल्टेज सोर्स, करंट सोर्स इज लेस फेमिलियर बिकॉज़ इसको थोड़ा सा साइड में रखते हैं. रेड वाला पहले करते हैं. व्हाट इज द इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेज हियर?
Sir, 1.
1. Any other answer? 5 options. Option A is 3 volts. Option B is 4 volt. Option C is 7 volt. Option D is 1 volt. Option E is cannot be determined. So I have 1 vote for option B. Any other? Any other?
1
अच्छा,
volt.
option F. Option F is
जी सर,
3.5
दोनों
volt.
का जो टर्मिनल है वो अपोजिट है, तो जिसका ज्यादा रहेगा सर उसका डोमिनेशन रहेगा सर.
Opposite नहीं है, same है. So 4 volt. 3 volt, 4 volt is 3. 4 so this will be. तो ये होगा. ये कह रहे हो? Option B. Any other? Any other answer? The answer is out of A to F में से एक ही आंसर है. एक आंसर करेक्ट है. कौन सा आंसर करेक्ट?
Sir, I thought 1.
1. Okay. So I have two votes for this. Anybody with any other? Anybody likes to vote anywhere? One of these 6 answer is correct. That's what I can guarantee. Anybody wants to vote for something else or support the skills? क्या होगा?
So 7.
7, yes.
7 होगा.
also.
ओके, 7 में 2 वोट आ गया. चलो. The correct answer is E, cannot be determined. Because it is a violation of KVL. What does KVL
दोनों
say?
करंट
Between
दोनों करंट
हाँ बता, करंट में क्या बता?
से दोनों करंट अपोजिट फ्लो कर रहा है.
Yes, so between these two nodes A and B, it is giving me 2 voltages. As per KVL, this cannot be. This is an open violation of KVL. Yeah, possible. If this is a equal RS with it, 3 volt, it has one R1 in series. This is 4 volt. This is R2 in series. This is perfectly okay. But this cannot be determined because this is a violation. Between any two nodes, you can have only one voltage. You cannot have two voltages. समझ में आया? If you take the KVA, if you go one loop.
यस सर, प्लेन वायर का पोटेंशियल सेम ही होता है हर जगह.
Exactly. So it will be zero. It is value. Similarly, exactly in the same way, this is also a violation. This will violate what? This will violate what?
Two current
KCL.
values.
This will violate
KCL.
KCL. So this is also a violation. If you connect these two type of things, you cannot determine. However, if you can connect practical voltage sources or practical current sources, because for practical voltage to current sources, you have RS in parallel. Okay, so that will do arrange in some ways and make KCL value. But if they are ideal, you cannot connect it like this. Similarly, you cannot connect two ideal voltage sources with different values in parallel. That will be a violation. Okay.
सर ऐसा कनेक्ट करके अगर मेजर करे तो वोल्टेज कितना आएगा?
तुम मेजर कर ही नहीं सकते हो क्योंकि ये आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स है. तुमको आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स कहां से मिलेगा?
प्रॉब्लम
तुमको आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स कहां से मिलने वाला है बताओ? अगर तुम प्रैक्टिकल वोल्टेज सोर्स लेकर बनने करो तब बिल्कुल हो सकता है. बोला दिस इज परफेक्टली ऑलराइट, नो प्रॉब्लम विद दिस, बट दिस इज नॉट राइट. दिस विल बी दिस इज अ ओपन वायलेशन. अगर तुम प्रैक्टिकल 3 वोल्ट 4 वोल्ट ऐसे लगा के मेजर कर सकते हो, बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
तो फिर कितना आएगा?
बताओ. दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन कैन यू यूज KCL, तो KVL हियर. तब कितना आएगा वी कैन फाइंड यूजिंग KVL. KVL वी विल डिस्कस राइट नाउ. what is stopping you? This is 4 volt, this is R1 say, this is 3 volt, this is R2. So if I is flowing, 4 minus 3 minus R2I minus R1I. So I would be 1 by R1 plus R2. Is it correct? Now what will be? VA minus VB. That will be VA minus 3 volt minus R2I. That is VB. So VA minus VB would be 3 plus R2, R1 plus R. This will be the equation. ठीक है, करेक्ट. अब इसमें R1 plus R2, R1 equal to 0, R2 equal to 0 पुट करके देखो क्या होता है. It will give you strange answers. यही आएगा ना? All of you agree? This will be the VA minus VB here. As per KVL, बताओ, tell me. Are you there? I cannot hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this problem correct? Can we solve it in this way? The sources are in opposition, so it starts from here. Positive, negative is negative, minus 3. I will show you in this way. This topic is KVL only. Then this is R2 times I, and this is R1 times I. Okay. So I will be 4 minus 3 by R1 plus R2. That is 1 by R1 plus R2. Okay. So what will be the voltage between points VA and VB? VA minus 3 volt for this, minus R2I, that will be VB. So VA minus VB would be this one. Now what happens if R1 equal to R2 equal to 0? The situation he mentioned. अगर R1 और R2 दोनों 0 होता तब क्या होगा?
Can't be determined.
Can't be determined. Right, वही ना? So we come back to this point. We come back to this point, cannot be determined. Okay, that's a very good question. Very, very good question. Like I frankly speaking, I do not get such question from the students. So I would like to thank the person who asked this question. I very rare I get questions like this. I am very happy with it. Okay. Any other questions regarding this? Okay, somebody has done something in chat. So we are also happy. Thank you very much. Okay, any other questions? Tell me, are there any other questions or not? Or should I go?
No, sir.
No, okay. So we can go to the next topic. So one thing, very important thing, brother, that at least electronics part also there are problems, but in electrical part there are hundreds of problems. Now I get only 2 hours per week, so I cannot do hundreds of problems in these 2 hours. So it's up to you to solve problems. If you have any doubts, any questions, you are free to ask me. Okay, we can help. I can help you. But in order to do well or to understand the concept, we will solve lots of problems. Take any book, we'll find lots of problems. Many of them are solved. Many of them are given to you to solve. Okay, but you should practice problems. Only then you can score well in this paper. Okay, I can help you with 1 or 2 problems I can do in class, but not more than that, because I have a time constraint. Okay. So so please practice problems at home. Take any book, absolutely any book. Practice problems. If you have difficulties, you are definitely welcome to ask them to me. Okay. So we can move to the next problem. Next is KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL and KCL. Okay, we start with KCL. What does it say? You studied this in school, I'm sure. What does it say?
The summation of all the voltages in a loop is equal to 0.
That's KVL. Okay, you are right. And KCL?
Input
summation
current
of
is equal
current.
to output current.
Okay. Another person was saying or something, summation. What will be?
Summation of current at a junction.
Yes, you are right. Tell me. At a junction? Going the right way. Tell me. Okay, let us start with some definitions. Note. I will give you some definition in the today at the tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. I will give you some definitions regarding this subject in Google Classroom. Okay, you study them. If you have any difficulty to understand anything, you can ask me in the next class. Okay. So first of all is node. What is the node? A node is a junction where 2 or more network elements are connected together. I will give you this definition in the class. Okay, I will upload all these definitions. No point dictating them to you and writing them. Okay. If we had a physical class, I would have told you this. So a node is a junction where 2 or more network elements are connected together. So suppose I have a resistance, I have a battery, I have a capacitance, I have another resistance or whatever you feel like. Okay. All of them are connected at this point A. So this point A is a node. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a branch?
सर कोई एक
Suppose we have two nodes, okay? So anything connected between two nodes, it could be one, it could be many, does not matter. So they form a branch. This is a branch, okay? This is node A, this is node B. Okay, correct? Any two nodes between which at least one circuit element is connected is a branch. This is not a branch because these nodes are the same. In order to be a branch, at least one circuit element should be connected with A and B. Okay, at least one. Next, loop. What is a loop? What is a loop?
So closed path.
Sir, complete circuit.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, both of you are right in your own way. A loop is any closed path of the circuit. Any closed part of the circuit is a loop. Okay. Final one, mesh. What is a mesh? Listen carefully. A mesh is the most elementary form of a loop and cannot be further divided into any other loops. Okay. So all meshes are loops, but not all loops are meshes. Matlab mesh is a loop which cannot be divided into other loops. So what does KCL tell us? Okay, somebody has written something in chat. Please repeat, sir. Which one you want to repeat, sir? Mesh. Mesh is a loop inside which there are no other loops, which cannot be divided into other loops. Okay. So what is as per KCL? What happens? There are many branches that are meeting in one particular node. Okay. If this is I1, this is I2, this is I3, this is I4. As per KVL, so KCL, I1 plus I2 plus
किसी भी
I3,
जंक्शन पे सारा हाँ सम्मिशन होगा
0. Okay. Okay, you are from electronics, right? So let me tell you something. This KVL and KCL which you are using, they are valid only in lower frequencies. Lower frequencies means in audio frequencies around, say up to one frequencies, say 10 megahertz or less. You can blindly use KCL and KVL, no problem. After 10 megahertz, you have to be careful. Okay. Something happens that prevents us from using KCL and KVL at least directly. Then we have to do some other things about which you will learn in your third year. Okay. So till third year, you are free to use KCL, KVL everywhere inside. After third year, we are a bit more careful. You cannot cannot directly, at least directly apply KCL, KVL in all cases. Okay. Okay. And what does KVL say? What does KVL say? Okay, the class has less than 1 minute remaining, so let it end. I will talk to you for in your WhatsApp group or something. Okay.
सर मतलब ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे ना दोबारा?
फिलहाल ज्वाइन नहीं करना है, हम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में उससे बात करेंगे, ठीक? नहीं, बात है 3 PM तुम लोग को और कोई क्लासेस है 3 बजे से?
यस
यस सर,
सर
मैथ का।
हाँ, अगर क्लास है तो अगर ये खत्म हो जाता है फिर